Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about my favorite vacation.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Donna,
Hi, Wilbert.
how are you today?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am great, thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Donna, do you like vacations?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like vacations?
I like vacations because I can relax.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, I also like to see new places.
Me too.
Do you travel every year?
Not every year.
Oh, really?
Yes, sometimes I stay at home.
Staying at home can also be nice.
I agree.
What is your favorite vacation?
My favorite vacation was at the beach.
That sounds fun.
It was very fun.
Where was the beach?
It was near a small town.
Was it beautiful?
Yes, the water was blue.
Wow.
The sand was soft.
I like soft sand.
I walked on the beach every morning.
That sounds relaxing.
It was very peaceful.
Did you go alone?
No,
Who went with you?
my family went with me.
That is nice.
We had a great time together.
Family vacations are special.
Yes, they are.
How many days did you stay there?
We stayed for 5 days.
5 days is a good vacation.
Yes, it was enough time to relax.
Where did you stay?
We stayed in a small hotel.
Was the hotel clean?
Yes, it was very clean.
Was the room comfortable?
Yes, the bed was soft.
That is important.
I slept very well every night.
Did you have a room with a beach view?
Yes, we did.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Every morning I opened the window.
What did you see?
I saw the ocean.
That must be beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Did you hear the waves?
Yes, I heard the waves every morning.
I love that sound.
Me too.
What did you do on the first day?
We walked along the beach.
Did you take pictures?
Yes, we took many pictures.
I like taking pictures too.
Pictures help us remember happy days.
That is true.
We also collected small shells.
Really?
Yes,
I like collecting shells.
they are beautiful.
What color were the shells?
Some were white.
Nice.
Some were pink.
Very pretty.
Some were light brown.
Did you keep them?
Yes, I still have them.
They are wonderful memories.
Yes, they are.
Did you swim in the ocean?
Yes, I did.
Was the water cold?
No, it was warm.
That sounds perfect.
We swam every afternoon.
Did you wear sunglasses?
Yes, because it was sunny.
Did you wear a hat?
Yes, the sun was very bright.
That is a good idea.
We also used sunscreen.
Sunscreen is important.
Yes, it protects our skin.
I always use sunscreen.
Me too.
Did you play games on the beach?
Yes,
What games did you play?
we played beach volleyball.
Was it fun?
Yes, everyone laughed a lot.
That sounds exciting.
We also built a sandcastle.
Really?
Yes,
Was it big?
it was very big.
Who helped you?
My brother and my sister helped me.
Did children like it?
Yes, they smiled when they saw it.
That is wonderful.
We had so much fun.
Did you eat lunch near the beach?
Yes,
What did you eat?
I ate grilled fish and rice.
That sounds delicious.
It was fresh.
Did you drink cold juice?
Yes, I drank fresh orange juice.
Perfect for a hot day.
Yes, it was.
Did you eat ice cream?
Of course.
What flavor?
Chocolate.
I like chocolate too.
My sister had strawberry ice cream.
That sounds tasty.
We enjoyed every meal.
Good food makes vacations better.
I agree.
Did you watch the sunset?
Yes, every evening.
Was it beautiful?
It was amazing.
What colors did you see?
I saw orange, pink, and yellow.
Wow,
The sky looked like a painting.
that is a beautiful picture in my mind.
We sat quietly and watched the sun go down.
That must have been peaceful.
Yes, it was one of my favorite moments.
I would love to visit that beach one day.
I hope you can.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Vacations give us happy memories.
Yes, they do.
I think everyone needs a vacation sometimes.
I agree completely. Donna, what is your favorite vacation?
My favorite vacation was in the mountains.
Oh, really?
Yes, it was very beautiful.
Tell me about it.
I went with my parents.
How long did you stay there?
We stayed for 4 days.
Did you stay in a hotel?
No, we stayed in a small cabin.
That sounds cozy.
Yes, the cabin was made of wood.
Was it cold?
A little cold, especially in the morning.
Did you wear a jacket?
Yes, I did.
What did you do there?
We walked on mountain trails.
Was it difficult?
No, the trail was easy.
That is good.
We also had a picnic.
What did you eat?
Sandwiches, fruit, and cookies.
That sounds delicious.
It was very nice.
Did you take many photos?
Yes, I took photos of the mountains.
I like mountain photos.
Me too.
Which vacation do you prefer, the beach or the mountains?
That is a difficult question.
Why?
Because I like both.
I understand.
The beach is relaxing.
Yes,
The mountains are peaceful.
that is true.
What about you?
I think I prefer the beach.
Why do you prefer the beach?
I like swimming.
That makes sense.
I also like warm weather.
I like warm weather too.
Did you travel by car to the mountains?
Yes, we drove there.
Was the drive long?
About 3 hours.
That is not too bad.
No, we listened to music during the drive.
Nice.
We also talked and laughed.
Family trips can be very fun.
Yes, they can.
On my beach vacation, we also traveled by car.
Really?
Yes, the drive was about 2 hours.
Did you stop anywhere?
Yes, we stopped at a small cafe.
What did you buy?
I bought coffee and a sandwich.
Sounds good.
The sandwich was very tasty.
Food always tastes good on a trip.
I agree.
Did you meet new people at the beach?
Yes, we did.
Tell me about them.
We met a family from another city.
Were they friendly?
Very friendly.
What did you talk about?
We talked about travel and food.
That sounds nice.
Their children played with my younger brother.
That is wonderful.
Everyone had a good time.
Vacations are a good way to meet people.
Yes, they are.
Did you buy souvenirs?
Yes,
What did you buy?
I bought a small shell necklace.
That sounds pretty.
It is very pretty.
I bought a postcard in the mountains.
Nice.
The postcard has a picture of a lake.
Beautiful.
I keep it in my room.
Souvenirs help us remember trips.
Exactly.
What was the best part of your mountain vacation?
Watching the sunrise.
Really?
Yes, the sky was pink and orange.
That sounds beautiful.
It was very quiet and peaceful.
My favorite part was swimming in the ocean.
I can understand that.
The water felt warm and relaxing.
That sounds wonderful.
Do you want to visit the mountains again?
Yes, I do.
Maybe next year?
I hope so.
I hope I can visit the beach again next year.
I hope so too.
What about our listeners?
Yes. What is your favorite vacation?
Do you like the beach, the mountains, or another place?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
And if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for listening. Donna, we talked about vacations.
Yes, we used many useful English words.
Let's learn some of those words together.
Great idea.
The first word is vacation.
A vacation is a time to rest and enjoy yourself.
Here is an example.
I am on vacation this week.
Here is another example.
My family takes a vacation every summer.
Very good.
The next word is beach.
A beach has sand and water.
Example.
I like walking on the beach.
Another example.
The beach is very clean.
Nice.
The next word is mountain.
A mountain is very high.
Example.
We climbed a mountain.
Another example.
The mountain is beautiful.
Great.
Now let's learn the word hotel.
A hotel is a place where people stay when they travel.
Example.
We stayed at a hotel.
Another example.
The hotel was comfortable.
Excellent.
Now let's learn the word souvenir.
A souvenir is something you buy to remember your trip.
Example.
I bought a souvenir.
Another example.
This keychain is my favorite souvenir.
Wonderful.
Now let's learn some useful travel sentences.
Here is the first one.
I am going on vacation.
Repeat after us.
I am going on vacation.
Very good.
Here is another sentence.
We stayed at a hotel.
Again.
We stayed at a hotel.
Excellent.
Here is another one.
We took many pictures.
Again.
We took many pictures.
Great job.
Let's practice one more sentence.
I had a wonderful vacation.
Again.
I had a wonderful vacation.
Very nice.
Now let's talk about grammar.
We used many verbs today.
Yes.
Some verbs are regular.
Some verbs are irregular.
Let's look at a regular verb.
The verb is walk.
Today, walk.
Yesterday, walked.
Listen again.
Walk.
Walked.
Very easy.
Another regular verb is play.
Today, play.
Yesterday, played.
Example.
We played volleyball yesterday.
Very good.
Now, let's learn an irregular verb.
The verb is go.
Today, go.
Yesterday, went.
Example.
We went to the beach.
Great.
Another irregular verb is see.
Today, see.
Yesterday, saw.
Example.
I saw the ocean.
Nice.
One more.
The verb is eat.
Today, eat.
Yesterday, ate.
Example.
We ate lunch together.
Excellent.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
Listen carefully.
Vacation.
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 Very good.
Beautiful.
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 Excellent.
Comfortable.
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 Great job.
Wonderful.
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 Very nice.
Peaceful.
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 Excellent.
Let's make some simple questions.
Good idea.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Very good.
Next question.
Who did you travel with?
I traveled with my family.
Nice.
Another question.
What did you eat?
I ate fish and rice.
Excellent.
One more.
Did you enjoy your vacation?
Yes, I did.
Perfect.
Or you can say, yes, I enjoyed my vacation very much.
That is a great answer.
Learning English becomes easier when you practice every day.
Even 10 minutes each day can help.
Listen, repeat, and speak out loud.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
That is true.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking every day.
You will improve little by little.
We believe in you.
Before we finish, we have one question for everyone.
If you could take your dream vacation anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your comments and learning about your favorite places.
Donna, today was a wonderful conversation.
Yes, Wilbert, I really enjoyed talking about vacations.
Me too.
We shared many happy memories.
We also learned many new English words.
Yes, we learned words like vacation, beach, mountain, hotel, and souvenir.
Those are useful words for everyday English.
I agree.
We also practiced useful travel sentences.
Yes, and I hope everyone will practice them again.
Repeating simple sentences is a great way to improve English.
That is true.
Listening every day also helps.
Even a few minutes each day can make a big difference.
English learning is a journey.
And every small step is important.
Don't worry if you speak slowly.
Take your time.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Keep practicing.
You will become more confident every day.
I believe our listeners can do it.
I believe so too.
Let's review a few useful sentences one more time.
Great idea.
I went on vacation with my family.
We stayed in a nice hotel.
We took many pictures.
We enjoyed delicious food.
We had a wonderful time.
Those are simple and useful sentences.
Yes, you can use them when you talk about your own vacation.
Try saying them aloud after this episode.
The more you practice, the easier English becomes.
That's right.
Donna, where would you like to travel next?
I would like to visit Japan someday.
That sounds exciting.
I want to see beautiful gardens, mountains, and traditional houses.
I hope you can visit soon.
Thank you.
How about you? Where would you like to travel next? I would like to visit a tropical island.
That sounds relaxing.
I would like to swim, walk on the beach, and watch the sunset.
That would be a wonderful vacation.
Yes, I think so.
Maybe one day we will both visit our dream places.
I hope so.
Before we go, thank you to everyone who listened today.
We really appreciate your time.
We hope this conversation helped you practice English.
Remember, learning English takes time.
Be patient with yourself.
Practice a little every day.
Listen carefully.
Repeat the sentences.
Speak with confidence.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We had a great time with you today.
We hope to see you again in our next English conversation.
Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.
Take care, everyone.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.